And I welcome you all to Paddy, 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 Paddy. No, the song no work. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma. The Yoruba, no, the English I speak, the English I speak. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma. The English I speak. The people you know and the language you speak. How different you know, how different you know. The people you know and the language you speak. How different you know, yeah. Thank you. We dey welcome all of you that come to Paddy Paddy show, you know, with my favorite girl with me, Mayolistic Mayowa and every... Mayowa.
First of all, I just want to talk, say the color of the dress when I see for the TV, no be the color when I wear.
I take change.
The color of this dress when I see for TV, no be the color where I wear.
For screen.
I know the color where I wear. I don't know what they do for back of that hair. You don't change now.
For screen.
You don't change to the color where I wear.
For screen, na brown. Happened? For real life.
Na maroon.
Na maroon.
What happened?
I see I change it to something else.
Before you know what is happening now, you give me color for face. They go, this I don't bleach.
Before they say we'll be avatar.
I don't know.
Please, take care on it. We are not avatar somebody. Please. Thank you very much.
So today, unlike my usual self, I coil my hair.
Yay! Coil me to I coil my hair. I coil my hair.
Now, good morning, Jerry. Welcome to Paddy Paddy this morning. And I scuff me and my guy, Mayowa.
Eh? Mayowa. She both of us
me and my guy, Ogbolor.
He say Mayowa. Hey.
Mayowa and her guy, Ogbolor. Two of us we dey on top Paddy Paddy this morning.
Yeah, that sound well, though. Mayowa and her guy.
And her guy. Mayowa and her guy. Together, then do on top Paddy Paddy.
You know what I do? Feeling myself.
We go on short break. When we come back, we'll continue on top of the show. Don't go anywhere. Just stick with us because we get many things to give you, from stories to pictures to videos. Full package now we get for you today. What's today's date?
Today 17. Actually is 17.
Yes. So make I talk as they talk for Buddhists. Bodies.
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 Mayo, why don't make this favorite mistake again?
Sorry. Make I talk as they talk. The 17th day for inside the month of March 2015. And we welcome you to Paddy Paddy Show.
Yay!
Will they come back?
What did you do your voice?
And they confuse the cat. And they confuse the cat. Because the cat, they look and say, when them touch my body, something goes sound. Where are they? Before it don't look, it don't stop again.
They come down and they sing the song.
Yes.
Why do it like that? You be like, you know when they kill goat? They will call put it.
I know if you open my teeth like that, so you know say my teeth no pure.
No pure.
No, but I forget. I guess
pure kind for inside for
inside TV
camera.
They show where for
like
camera.
My own blood side they chop red oil.
Oh, okay. So my teeth they pure for inside camera, abi?
They pure.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Maybe we
you go tell us what you come.
Shut up. Shut up.
What do you think your voice they do?
Shut up.
Man, why don't they shout all through the night?
My voice they very clear. I get sore throat.
Sore throat.
If you talk too much now,
since last week
sore throat.
Okay, I won't talk too much now. Do yourself. What do you think your voice take do? What did you do with your voice? Why are you shouting? What's wrong with you? Not doing anyhow. Be shouting all through the night. Be singing soprano. Holy. Mayowa.
Hey.
Okay.
Ogbolor, hey.
No.
Make I continue with the story of the day. I didn't among of them. I didn't even. Why my seat come front like this?
I don't carry my own.
Why my seat front like this?
I don't carry my own.
I dey come. Mona wait.
Hey. All right. This is the extension of the cheering now. Mayowa, she can do anyhow inside this studio. She doesn't respect protocol at all. Please. All right.
Oh, yeah, camera on me now.
Oh, yeah, camera on it.
See now, they just carry my seat, push and go front.
Very correct now. Make I carry my own go front.
No, leave your own now. Must you copy me?
Oh, yeah,
Can't you be a man of yourself?
I'm trying to be.
This don't make me forget now. When I remember this particular woman, one time when the story been they circulate, this particular woman, where then they call her Myra Rosales. Myra Rosales. The surname now Rosales. So I feel call her Rosale.
Yes.
Myra Rosale, something like that. You know, remember that time when she been collects the blame for the death of her 2-year-old nephew. Say her sister been, say the boy vex her sister. The sister can't carry brush. Brush, they take hit in head. The boy can't hit head, fall, die. So she to protect her sister because she did very, very obese. This particular person.
I'm saying fat.
Yes, she did weigh 453 kg. She did very, very obese. So she can't lie, saying that she do mistake, roll on top the boy. You understand? And so she take lie. But later they can't find out through autopsy. That's the way they check the body, see what's kill person. Can't say now multiple injuries now in kill the boy. So they send the sister to 15 years of jail. Now that is not even the story. I just want to remind you and refresh in our memory about this particular lady when they talk about. So yeah, when her sister can't go jail, now she make up her mind, say she don't vouch, say she go do something about this her weight, make she for take care of the children. Now, as I talk to you now, since 2011, she don't do close to 11 surgeries. This not before picture. This not before. She don't do close to 11 surgeries, including lap band surgery, extra skin removal procedures. She don't do all these things them so that she go feel lose weight. Now, see her now. See her now.
Finally.
Can you believe it? See pretty girl.
Black
you understand me now? So she talks, say she do this one only to take care of her sister's children because she knows her sister no mean to kill. You understand? That her 2-year-old son. She can't talk, say now food for her now under diet. Say before she just they eat, but now everything under diet because this thing where she don't do, where God don't help her, so she has to stick to it.
So she don't. We call the kiss her for ear like this now.
You know, say she don't.
The Babona don't happy now. Say, well, my baby get to figure 8.
Before.
Not figure plenty.
Before.
Yeah. This doctor is anything when you put your mind, if you do
before.
You have to look for a ginger for it. And trust me, your guy go there happy. Trust me.
I wish I can say that about my guy.
Seriously, I wish if you talk about your guy, but sorry, it's also live TV. But actually, I am very happy on it for the whole gist we done on the grounds. Now, for my own side, still talking about love and everything. You know, hem high, how bagger.
Many niggas with they step in the club with the bullion van. With the bullion. The swagger is janded. And the swagger is confident because container has landed.
Well, continue now.
The import and the export, the wet spot, the best spot, something, whatever they said. I don't know, but we be the niggas with they step in the club.
With the bullion van. Now, Abaga, I was still waiting to make him marry. Jason Abaga. And younger brother, over the weekend, maybe Saturday here, Jason married in long time baby wanted thing, Jessica. And 2 of them married for the beach thing. You know, they just go for Antica Beach. Not the Antica Beach here now. They go do their thing on Saturday. You know, very, very few number of people. And they say they don't want to make it loud anyhow because Jason himself is an entertainment boy. So they don't want to make crowd anyhow. They go beach, you know, they go there. Everybody wear white. You know, they come there on a love pee. Me, I don't mind beach, but once I get crowd for back, they go to beat me. You know, but everybody just there on a sweet level. Marriage now one very, very beautiful thing. The wedding ceremony, but the marriage itself, now that's cool with that. So we wish them congratulations and every. And different people come out, they talk different things for if I Twitter, they wish them happy married life. Now, we they wait now. But any which way, me I know sure I go do my wedding near water.
Do I near water now? Why?
Make mommy water no go jump come out. Hey!
No, be that time. It go depend on the water. You want go do a near Third Mainland Bridge?
Third Mainland Bridge.
You don't go find something like where you go just hire bathtub, pop water inside, constant by the side. That place nobody go fit come out inside.
No.
You know like that time. Or may just wet the ground, stand on top the ground. It's all water.
Down na low key now. Down na over low key the warrior. If I do for Third Mainland Bridge, my fear be say crowd will come out from inside the water. They have to come out. Hey, finally, one of our girls don't go. Please, for the future wife, please na joke. Oh. For the whoever you date, no can go remind me of this day. Oh. Please na joke. All right, now just small joke. I'm joking around with you. All right, so thank you very much. Congratulations again to Jason Abaga. Emma, we are waiting for you. No, they're old. Please go and marry. Thank you very much. Now we are going on a break quickly. Why you stare at me like that? You are looking lustfully.
I'm not minding myself. Anytime when I put her on top of my shorts and I show the real color of my clothes, when I put her for white shirt, they give me another cloth. What's the meaning of this?
Please,
don't be telling me you're working on it. Don't be saying that to me. I don't like it.
Sorry, they're working on it.
Work on this thing, please. What's that? Be giving me a twin somebody, but if I find if I be twin, so I think it would be really nice if I was a twin.
Mayowa, that means only you not trouble for this world.
I think that it would be nice
if you can't go get twins. Now means 12 now will worry this earth.
No, I think
we don't want.
Nashigo sabi make noise because me I calm.
Hey!
We don't go break.
Mommy, go break. Mom, go break. Ah! Calm me.
Blow.
I chop pepper.
Blow. Blow again.
Una sorry, Jare. Now you know what go see you.
It's better now.
It's better. You are okay now, Abi? Sorry, yeah. Sorry. I am gonna leave her. Make sure I get herself. Make you continue with the show. You don't get yourself.
Very small.
Because when we go on break, my wife go to look some kind of things. Now I just collect things. Boom.
You see where they catch person. Not only me and you there.
No, me I won't help you now. Make I cover.
Not only me and you there here. Waiting I did. Ogbolor, shut up.
You never talk and see. This one me say your voice no dey okay, your eye no dey okay, your emotions are not okay too. Your brain self, I don't know whether you are doing something that is spiritual and very unrighteous. So, Mayowa, you have not tell us what is wrong about you, ni.
I mean, we could continue.
Whether you have sold your soul to the sellers.
We could continue with Yan. We can. Ow. This thing, pure. Okay. Make we continue with the gist. That's why I go. The gist for today. So, 100-year-old woman, grandmother, now she be great grandmother actually. She been celebrating her 100 years birthday. And if you ask me, say make I tell you how she take celebrate her. She go do skydiving. When I know what be skydiving, where you go hang from plane, jump. Yippee! Come down, and she be 100 years old now. This particular woman, she go do skydiving for inside South Africa. Her name na Georgina Howard.
Hey, mama.
Georgina Howard. She knows that she wear her red jumpsuit. Hello. She jumped from 125 mph. Now she jumped from. That was really hard. You understand? With instructor Jason Baker, now the name of our instructor, because two of them jumped together, and family and friends then come from Australia, England to celebrate this particular birthday. They say this particular woman since when she been 92, now she do the last skydiving. That was 2007. Now she don't turn 100, and she says she must skydive again. She can't talk saying a very wonderful experience, very special experience. She called this English very exhilarating experience.
Hey, exhilarating.
Yes.
Let me say European emotion.
She talks in a very exhilarating emotion. Now she gets. Now I say wow.
Wow, this one a real wow.
I beg, auntie, mommy, grandmommy, great grandmommy. We know say you want groove, small.
Small, 100 years old. You go to fly for up.
Only the breeze.
Make you know you can't go there, then I can't go from there. She can't pass go.
I say only the breeze alone. You don't try that thing before. Distance where even not too high. Ogbolor, you go to do. The breeze go to blow you. I beg. You take God name beg you, mommy. Take it easy.
Please, I know you are watching us anywhere you are in the world, mommy. Please, but this is a challenge, to all the great grandmothers waiting for outside where they shop the children money for her, just sit down for them. Please, you can do anything you desire to do. You understand? You feel enter motor, you drive to Ibadan. Only you. You understand me? Just do different things. Mama, you can wear mini skirts, wear tank top, enter club, you groove. Just do something different for your birthday. You understand? No go jump, oh. If you just go jump, now white woman be that, oh, black with the heavy pass them. The way you go take drop. We know.
You know, say us we dey chop better food, they chop like leaves, like plants,
Eh-heh.
like grass. But you, what? 30 jẹ fufu, 30 jamala, 30 jẹba, all subu fine.
Oh, like the way you go drop, boom.
Oh,
Now from there,
now the ground I need shake.
you go here with gratitude to God for a life well spent. May that not go be your portion because you guys don't watch this video now. One grandmama for us, they go look into it. He said, "Oh,
I fit do this thing.
I go fit do this thing where this woman don't do."
Should somebody hold me for back? I go do it.
Next, you just go office, come back, just see great grandmama on top 4-story building. He said, "Oh, our job, our job."
Oh, she go to me that carry go Olumo rock. Make she for rock herself for there. I beg you.
But anyway, the woman try herself. She try herself. All right. Okay, for my own side now. You know Nikano and
Yeah,
Marakari.
I know Nikanon, the cute Nikanon.
Yes, Nikano, fine boy, business mogul. At the same time, in wife, Marakari, fine get to business somebody else where they sing well.
Not be wife again, no.
Former wife, ex-wife.
They don't do parted ways.
Yes, when they've been there together as husband and wife, love catch them. So Nikano writes Mariah, now be in wife name for him back like this, right and bold, boom. As they can't separate now. No, we don't know who they at fault for the whole gist, but last, he don't come use one other tattoo cover the name. Bam. Because he won't commot her name for him body. So instead of commoting the tattoo, he can't write different things put on top that particular one, can't cover around. He can't put bed. Boy can't look and say, only that first one when he first do not first reach him. He can go draw plenty tattoo for back now to cover that particular one. He be like say, when person don't make all this kind of move, then be say maybe na Mariah and I mess up.
No, you know what I think? I think say him go cover him body with tattoo so that if he enter inside relationship with another girl, temptation no go catch him to draw her name for another place. So he could cover everything so space no go there.
Not true.
For another just it could may be or it could may not be.
Exactly. Exactly. And at the same time, if like, you go get another relationship now, they get no one see anybody name for a body. Just turn back now say I will be this. So now the new back be this now. Now the new back be this, he draw different things.
But this not plenty.
He even draw 2 dove for corner. And now in children be that. He said that he also representing children. He can't write somewhere for dance. That Jesus said this somewhere. Can't write, Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do.
Wow.
Well, any which way, maybe Marakari don't bustle her head. Want to say maybe she do something when no.
You no one see
so now you just a verse.
Like say, me don't do something give person now when they no one see me.
You understand? So don't worry. God is touching the heart of anybody that you are touching and doing any hand in heart. Don't worry. God is good and able to do things that man cannot do. You understand? When there seems to be no way, God will make a way. So everything that makes it possible, God will make it possible. You understand?
Tired.
So when you look at the enemy straight in the eye, boy, you go tell the enemy say, even though you come like a flood, though, God will raise up a standard against you. And the quote, don't joke with me. Oh. Hey,
my guy.
You're on the spiritual P.
My guy.
Over.
Upon all, still be sinner. I beg it. We go enter inside the laugh now, Jare. As the hot.
He who has the first sin, cast the stone.
Meanwhile, shut up. Meanwhile, don't forget to send us tweets at Wazobia PADI PADI. We did there for you live and direct. Send us a tweet. Talk to us on that matter. And then follow us for Instagram individually and follow the station at Wazobia TVNG. We did there for you for Instagram. You go see short clips of all this episode. Plus, we still do on top YouTube.
Yes.
If you miss any episode, just go Wazobia TV/PADI PADI. You go see all the episodes of PADI PADI for there for inside YouTube. Just click on them, watch them, have fun, enjoy yourself. Very easy way to kill boredom.
It is for screen there.
Yes,
for the screen like this.
So we're here for you. See, as I just give the information, I give them like professional. So don't you ever tell me say I know the observe protocol. Ever in your life.
So you won't come spoil all the professional way you do just now. Allow your ras witchcraft enter the whole thing.
As I was saying, sorry for the break in transmission. We'll go on a short break. When we come back, we enter inside laugh.
You know sweet, Joe. You know sweet. You know sweet anything. You know sweet.
If I yes say no sweet, you know. You're just a jealous person.
tomorrow children they train for armed robbery. Forget. Yeah.
Sorry, Mission Impossible.
Mission Impossible.
You know, say as in go rescue him brother. The first one, the one wey sweet me pass, that one we go rescue him brother.
That
he
one,
first jump your own comot, come say, my brother, I'm coming to you. Din 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 din
Just
din
run,
din din
yeah.
din. Yeah. Boys,
I'm here to set the
yeah.
captives free.
Ah.
Oh, children,
Oh,
and they
my
wear
word.
diaper. Oh.
Yes,
They
now,
wear diaper.
picking them
So,
pee.
they know how they talk with that. Oh. All these children. Yeah. That means.
No wonder, mama go keep something for here. She'll come back, no say, she'll come, they look, the boy will come.
Now the truth be that when things they lost for house, you how you want to know say that the children they lost am.
Wait a minute.
Kilele. If you like,
Kind
when I show me
this.
today again. Shey na our political campaign be this. Okay.
long line be this.
Na train, no, na train, na transport. For inside India, you know say those with the get population eh.
I did tell you this.
See people sit down on top train, plenty. Some they
Na
tamo,
wa.
some they sit down on top. Everybody they hustle the thing. Oh. Chai. See women anything where women put their mind, they work. It they work.
Yes.
This one now, you don't say table no day. Now
What a man can do, a woman can do best.
exactly. You know, now me always they feel say some of them now go reach fire because none of it. How some they use cow piece? They take wash face.
Kai!
Ayama, not be ill with this now. Ayama.
Ayama.
But maybe it's figure they give them protein, sha.
I beg.
I hear it's proteinous. Proteinous. Oh Lord Jesus, ain't nobody got time for that.
You know, see the maths where they on top. As
X equal to minus B plus or minus raised to power B square minus 4AC.
all divided by 2.
Happen.
Wait a minute.
Oh, but see the whole world, they fetch water for that well. Oh.
Community well.
Community well. Traditional well. Village well.
Wow.
This one now, if you want those two person bad, just push her inside. Pum!
Hey.
You they cost me yesterday, be enter inside.
Hey.
They call it the family bring her come out. Or they'll throw gala give her.
Then go show, then go hit scan, gone tonight. Everybody fetch from the well because tomorrow there shall be no water again. Oh my God.
They ask me for back, say, what is gala? Now we don't take for area.
Oh, but they don't old.
Gala.
They just they show your age. They show the world your age. They show the world your
now
age.
Now me the barb on my head now because I can't the show small. Anyway, you want to jam us on top Twitter at Wazobia PADI PADI. At Wazobia PADI PADI. Reach there. You can follow us on top Twitter and we'll follow now back. Give us comments. You know, some Mayowa don't come back now. It's a beautiful thing. See, I did very excited and everything. Man, no pack that paper. So we'll go see you now tomorrow on top of the show. God bless all of you. Now we love you. Thank you for loving us and sticking around with us. And we'll continue to make sure they bring out all the better entertainment and every. Mwah.
Yes, and one more time, I beg, my cloth no be brown. Now one.
Bring this thing.
I'll
What
slap
you worry?
you.
You will slap me.
I'll slap
You go slap.